This video I'm gonna show you how you can add tags quickly in just like a matter of seconds to your YouTube video. You see you have a limit of 500 characters over here, and if you start typing manually it takes a lot of time and you have to think about stuff. It can give you some inspiration, but anyways, if you want to reduce the burden, what you are gonna do is I'm gonna tell you a website that you can use. So I was uploading this video on my channel, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy the title that I made for this one, and I'm gonna go to a website called rapidtags.io. Once you are over here, in this text box paste the title of your YouTube video and then hit the search button, and within a matter of seconds it is going to give you all these tags. You can copy this from here, and then you can go back again in the tags and put these over here. Now if you think that these are long ones, actually these are long tail keywords, and rapid tag thinks that this is what people are searching for, this title. What I can also do is that I can put in alternate titles. Let's say I put in how to make multiple or like second YouTube. So it gives me some other tags. So you can copy these one as well. If you want to go in detail, you can compare which one you think could be searched more on YouTube, and that's how you basically put minimal effort in generating tags and get it all done. So I'll put the link to the website down in the description box. You can check that out, and on the screen you would be seeing two videos that might be relevant to your interests. I'll see you in either of those.